Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going into Dollar General and I'm going to show you guys some surprising things you probably never even knew they had, y'all. So first stop, y'all, let's take a walk over here. I seen this on the way in the store. They have coloring books, y'all, for adults and kids. This is good for some relaxation time. They also have fresh flowers. I never even knew they had this, y'all. Never even knew. And over here is something I didn't expect, y'all, an entire section of wine from sweet Moscato to rich reds. They've got every taste, y'all. Who even knew that they were stepping their game up like this? I had no clue. And of course, y'all, you cannot forget the chips. They have some of every flavor you can think of. And they have some of every flavor of bottled juice you can think of as well. So they have regular juices. They even have the sports juices over here, like the Powerades, Gatorades, you name it. They have some of everything. And if you're pretty much trying to stock up for like game night, or you're just having some friends over to the house, they even have cases of beer. It's like one stop and you're all set. They have everything you need. All right, y'all, and we are about to move on to the pantry aisle. Of course, they have some of everything, as you can see. They have some of every variety of cereal you could think of. Some of these cereals have nice, decent sales. This is 2 for $7, and then you have 2 for $8, and those are the large boxes of cereal. They have some deals on their peanut butter, 2 for $8. Quite a few things to choose from, y'all. They have mustard, some of everything you could think of, beef jerky, cookies, more chips. They even have the tuna snacks, y'all, 3 for $3. That's a pretty good price. They have SpaghettiOs, all types of canned goods here, as you can see. They even have the noodle bowls. They even have spicy noodle bowls, all types of flavors, all types of soup. Check this out, y'all, even iced coffee. If you need to restock on a frying pan, pot, or a skillet, they have all different shapes and sizes here, all different brands you can choose from. They even have a variety of different coffees for all the coffee lovers. And look at this, they got the K-Cups. Not bad prices either. Nice flavors that you would not find in your local grocery store, y'all. All kinds of soda. They even have cards in here. I mean, it's everything in one spot, y'all. Everything in one spot. Even food, y'all. Look at the hot dogs. They have Lunchables. All flavors. Lunch meat, y'all. You can come here and get everything in one shot. It's like your own little mini grocery store, y'all. Just not as big. Some of everything you may need, y'all. Quick shopping. You don't have to worry about the super long lines. And this one is in a great neighborhood, y'all. I don't ever run into a crowd in this store. So I'll definitely be coming here more often. All kinds of water. All types of beverages, y'all. Look at that. All kinds of soda. They have certain deals on the soda as well, as you can see. All different varieties, y'all. And let me not say I think this is the most neatest Dollar General I have ever been in. The aisles are not looking crazy. I mean, it's not perfect, but it does not look anything like I have seen before in the past. Like things just thrown everywhere. You can't find anything. This place is neat. I have to say they have a great staff who take the time to make sure that all of their items are stacked up neatly the way it should be. This is the pet aisle, y'all. So for all those who have cats or dogs, you can come here, get the pet food, get pet toys. All types of dish liquid, laundry detergent. You can find everything here, y'all. Everything. I never really took that much time in Dollar General. I'm kind of shocked myself. Look at this for all those who feeling nostalgic. DVDs? What in the world? Who even still have a DVD player? Oh, they have a lot of exercising equipment as well, y'all. So if you need that fitness fix, you need to go to Dollar General. They also have all different types of storage bins. So that's something that everybody can use at home, I'm sure, to organize. You can use it for your kitchen. They have all types of items like Epsom salt, icy hot, all different types of medications if you're not feeling well. toothpaste, everything. Pretty much everything the supermarket have, Dollar General have. And ladies, if you need a hair tie or a headband right quick, go to Dollar General. They have a nice variety there. Hair combs, everything. Facial products, as you can see. I've noticed that they have a lot of Dr. Teal items as well. I love Dr. Teal's. All different types of body wash. And guys, if you need to grab a quick gift card, they have a nice variety of gift cards here as well. They have a nice toy and game section with a nice variety of items here as well. So if you need to come here and grab a quick gift for a birthday, or even just a nice surprise for your child, your grandchild, or whoever, you'll have a nice variety of things to choose from here in Dollar General. Okay, now this section blew my mind. If you love baking, you can find everything you need to make a homemade birthday cake or cupcakes. They have all kinds of cake toppers, pastry mats, treat stands, edible decor. They even have cake stands and boxes and pans. All types of pans. They have a little heart pan down here. A little round one. They have the treat stand. That's the decor. And y'all, you know Party City is closing, so look, all you party planners, you better take notes. Don't sleep on Dollar General, y'all. They also have a variety of items for arts and crafts, as you can see. Lots of stationery. And they have gift bags, all different sizes, all different styles, all different prices. Quite a few of them for that $1. They also have wrapping paper, tissue paper. And y'all, with Party City closing, you can always come here and get a few necessities you may need to throw a party at your house for your child or something to that extent. They have quite a few things. Oh, they even have a balloon machine. Okay, a helium machine. Lots of baking items, y'all. So if you like to bake cakes, brownies, they have some of everything. I told you this is like your own little grocery store. And what is this down here? They make some of everything. Pumpkin spice marshmallows and chocolate stuffed marshmallows. Okay. I'm not a marshmallow person, but for all those love marshmallows, you may like it. They have a nice variety of different food items here, y'all. And before I head out, check out these limited edition canned iced coffees. Dollar Tree have a bit of everything, y'all. If you haven't explored your local store lately, you might be surprised at what you would find. So that's it for today's walkthrough today, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed discovering these hidden gems at Dollar General. Let me know in the comments what's the most surprising thing you found at your local store. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, y'all. And hit that notification bell for more fun videos like this, y'all. I hope you enjoy. Take care. Be blessed and stay safe, guys. See you in the next one.
Bye.